agency will often not verify your account. This is because they have sold your account, and thus there is no financial incentive for the collection agency to verify a credit bureau's investigation. In other words, the collection agency is not going to spend the money or time to verify your account information, because they can no longer legally collect payment. The account has been sold to another debt collector, and the credit bureaus will have to give you a clean credit report. The dirty little secret of the collection agencies is to re-age your debt or view your account as brand new once they get possession of it. This way they can report negative information to the credit bureaus about you in hopes of pressuring you to pay. There are federal laws to protect you and other consumers from this behavior, and say that you are only legally responsible to repay a debt collection for 7 years from the original date of delinquency. Many consumers report that debt collections follow them for much longer than 7 years. The second method to remove collections from your credit report is by filing debt validation. If you are currently being contacted for repayment, you can request that the collection agency validate your debt account first. This is going to require the collection agency to show you legal evidence that your debt is within the 7-year time window, and that this specific collection agency owns the legal rights to collect on your debt account. You can do this by sending a debt validation letter. However, there have been collection agencies fined by the Federal Trade Commission or the FTC for ignoring consumer debt validation requests. If you are a victim of this or would prefer a professional to fix your credit, we would encourage you to consult with a credit repair attorney. You can also call 1-877-925-6475 for a free credit consultation. The third method to remove collections from your credit report are to pay for deletion or negotiate a settlement agreement. If your debt is legit, we encourage you to negotiate a settlement agreement. In your settlement agreement, you should make sure that you pay less than a total balance due. In exchange for your payment, the collection agency will remove collections on your credit report by contacting all 3 major credit bureaus. Unfortunately, it is a roll of the dice with step number 2 and step number 3. Many collection agencies completely ignore federal laws and regulations. There are endless reports from the FTC about huge fines even to the big collection agencies like NCO Financial, Allied Interstate, Midland Credit, and more.